Hey Magic fans, Mael here, and today we've got a wonderful booster box opening to show you guys. We've got Duskmourn, House of Horrors. Now, for anyone keenly anticipating this set, we've got a couple of different pre-releases coming next week. We've got one on the 20th, two on the 21st, and one on the 22nd. So make sure not to miss out.
Just a couple more things before we get started. Number one, our Duskmourn products are going to be on sale on September 20th. So make sure to come in on that day and buy whichever Duskmourn products that you are interested in. Secondly, if you guys are interested in any of the legendary creatures in the set, potentially for a commander deck, let us know in the comments which one you're looking to build. We're always happy to hear. Now, on with the packs.
That. Our first pack. Let's see. We've got a spider. Okay. Foil Monstrous Emergence. Lakeside Shack as our land, and Fear of Missing Out. Some extra combat steps. That could be fun. Irreverent Gremlin. Patchwork Beastie. Very nice story behind this one. Live or Die. Rite of the Moth. Fanatic of the Harrowing. Enter the Enigma. This one's fun. Bear Trap. Hand That Feeds. Living Phone. This one's a funky one. Vicious Clown. Fun flavor text there. And Ragged Playmate. Not bad first pack. Fear of Missing Out is definitely a pretty good card. Gonna put the rares here. The rest on the side. Very nice. With that said, on to the rest. And Razorkin Needlehead. Now, time for the last pack. We've got an insect token, foil Violent Urge, we've got a mountain, and we have got Enduring Tenacity. Very nice. Vengeful Possession, Shrewd Storyteller, Bottomless Pool and Locker Room, Creeping Peeper, Frantic Strength, Final Vengeance, Erratic Apparition, Monstrous Emergence, Bedhead Beastie, Possessed Goat, and Spineseeker Centipede. And that is all of the packs. Overall, a wonderful selection of rares that we've gotten, and a very nice set of alternate arts here too. All right, just give me one moment, and I'll be back with the card count.
Wow, what a haul. So in total, we've got 38 rares and 4 mythics, making 42 great cards, with 6 of which being alt arts. Some notable inclusions being Screaming Nemesis, foil Lurking Evil Unstoppable Slasher, full art Abhorrent Oculus, and foil Showcase Demonic Council. Now, as a reminder, these and all the other great cards that we pulled today are going to be available on September 20th. So come on down and pick up your favorites. And Let us know which cards you're looking to build in Duskmourn's Commander's game. And as always, have a great day.